Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video: problem on wedge friction. Let us take a problem. A block of weight 15 kilonewtons is to be raised by means of the wedges A and B as shown in the figure. Find the values of the force P for impending motion of block upward if limiting coefficient of friction mu is 0.25 for all the surfaces. The weight of the wedges may be neglected. When force P is applied on wedges, wedges will tend to move along the force P. This motion of wedge will cause the block to move upwards. Due to symmetry, analyzing one wedge is sufficient to find the value of P. So we are taking one wedge, that is A. The load on each of the wedges is 15,000 divided by 2 equal to 7,500 newtons. The ground reaction on each wedge is 7,500 newtons. The forces on the block A are: 1. Normal reaction at the ground 7,500 newtons. Frictional force at ground mu into 7,500. Mu is 0.25, so its value is 1875 newtons, opposite to motion of the wedge. Third one, force P to be found out. 4. Normal reaction of the wedge due to the load of the block, or friction force at the contact surface of wedge and the block, that is mu r. In this figure, we are representing wedge A and the forces that are coming on the wedge A. The same forces we are representing on a Cartesian coordinates. 7,500 normal reaction at the ground. P, the force on the wedge, that which we have to find out. R is the normal reaction that is coming on the wedge due to the block. 1875 is the frictional force that is coming on the ground. Mu r is the frictional force between the wedge surface and block surface. Now, resolving forces along x direction. 0.25 r cos 15 degrees plus 1875 plus r sin 15 degrees equal to P. Right hand side forces equal to left hand side forces. Rearranging the equation and simplifying, we can take r as common. R into 0.25 cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees equal to P minus 1875. From this equation, we can get relation between R and P. 0.5 R equal to P minus 1875. Let us say this is equation 1. Now resolving forces along y direction. Upward forces equal to downward forces. 7,500 plus 0.25 R sin 15 degrees equal to R cos 15 degrees. Rearranging the equation and simplifying, R into cos 15 degrees minus 0.25 sin 15 degrees equal to 7,500. If you simplify, we'll get the value of R. R is equal to 8322 newtons. Substituting the value of R in equation 1, P is equal to 0.5 R plus 1875 and the value of P is 6036 newtons. That means the force that is required at the wedges is 6036 newtons to lift the force of 15 kilonewtons.